Are you music lead at your school? Come with me to explore the tools and resources in Purple Mash that can support excellent music teaching and learning from nursery to Year 6. Let's start by diving into the early years area and exploring the music and sounds resources which are found outside the classroom area here. Children can sing along with the collection of songs.
I like trains and I like my dinosaurs.
Or play and create their own simple melodies using the different instruments and sounds in the tools To Explore and To Beat. Let's come out of Mini Mash now, back into Purple Mash, and dive into the music curriculum area from the home page. In here you will find 5 creative music tools that will enable your children to compose their own music in different ways. You'll recognise To Explore and To Beat that were also available in Mini Mash. Underneath the creative tools we have some music theory quizzes, writing templates, slideshows, games, additional resources and mash cams where children can use the camera on their device to become a musician. Let's now dive into the music tools which enable children to compose their own music. To Explore enables younger children to create simple tunes by clicking record and choosing different instruments. Our composition can be played as a repeated loop and we can speed it up and slow it down. When we're happy with it, we can export it as an MP3 with up to 4 repeats. To Beat allows users to learn about rhythm and pulse by building up various beats. You can choose the number of beats in your composition, and down the left-hand side you have a selection of drums and percussion sounds. You can click the small arrow to choose your kick drum, snare drum, hi-hat and various percussion sounds. Now I can choose where that instrument sound will play in each track. As with To Explore, we can modify the beats per minute to speed up or slow down our piece and then export it as an MP3 with up to 4 repeats. To Sequence allows children to drag and drop sounds into a grid to build up a piece of music. There is an extensive library of instruments and sounds on the tabs at the bottom of the screen. And on the My Sounds tab, children can add more sounds from the Purple Mash library or add their own recordings from outside of Purple Mash by choosing from the files on their device. Children can also use the microphone on their device to record their own sounds. Music that has been created in To Explore, To Beat and To Sequence can be used in other Purple Mash tools, for example as background music for a story created in To Create a Story or in To Animate. Busy Beats allows children to create music by experimenting with sounds, beats, ripples and ripplers. By dragging different synth sounds and sound effects into the space and setting off the ripplers, users can experiment with speed, pitch and rhythm to create their own musical masterpieces. You can start with one of the ready-made tunes and experiment by altering the sounds, or you can build up your own piece of music from scratch. Busy Beats is definitely a program that encourages composing through play and experimentation. TrackLab is the newest of our music tools. It's a powerful tool that enables children to record, create and edit their own music just like in a real recording studio. Users can create and layer multiple drum and instrument tracks or use the library of pre-made chord and instrument samples. You can also record your own audio and vocal tracks using the microphone on your device and upload external audio files. Adding the built-in audio effects to your tracks will enhance your compositions and elevate your music to new heights. Completed compositions can easily be exported as WebM files, which is recognized by many inbuilt media players on devices and also shared within Purple Mash. If you are looking for inspiration on how to get the most out of these creative music tools, you can find units and lesson plans ready to go in our computing scheme for Year 1, Year 2 and Year 4. The Year 1 Making Beats unit has 4 lessons focusing on creating drum and percussion compositions using To Beat. The Year 2 Making Music unit inspires children to explore, edit and combine sounds using To Sequence. In the Year 4 Composing Beats unit, children use the tool Busy Beats to produce their own musical styles and sounds by experimenting with the different musical elements of pulse, rhythm, tempo, pitch, melody, text and dynamics.